I have a hydrangea. It is 3 years old. It bloomed the first year, 2 or 3 blooms. The second year, a few blooms. But last year, guess what? No blooms. Why wouldn't my hydrangea bloom? I fertilized it. It is growing well. This is Ibis from Halls, Tennessee. All right. So an hydrangea, we don't know what kind.
We don't know what kind.
We don't know what kind.
Because different types of hydrangeas like to be pruned at different times of the year. So she may have inadvertently pruned it at the wrong time of year, which would cause it not to have blooms. Right. Or it could be this last cold snap we had.
Yes.
This was when we had unusually cold weather that a lot of the hydrangeas reacted to and are not blooming. I have 2 that aren't blooming.
Wow.
And
Okay.
it's because of that. And
Right.
there might be 1 or 2 blooms on them, but I think the cold, got it down,
Right.
and it's not coming back to bloom this year.
Right.
But the foliage is gorgeous and beautiful, and I'm hoping next year we won't get such a cold snap, so it will bloom well. Because I didn't prune it. Mother Nature pruned
Mother
it for
Nature
it.
did that for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, 2 cold snaps. Really.
Yeah. Yeah. And the only other thing I would mention is it is if it's never really bloomed well, could it be in too much shade? Because I used to have that problem also, and I have moved hydrangeas into a little more sun because of that. I'm like, well, it's shady for you, it's bright,
Sure.
but it wasn't enough sun for them. So that's another thing that she could look at too.
Right. Okay. Because again, we don't know the conditions, nor do we know, which hydrangea we're talking about.
Yeah.
But yeah. Thinking about environmental factors,
Yeah.
we had some unusual weather this year, there's no doubt about that. And then, after that, some of the hydrangeas did very well this year because of the moisture. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.